Good morning, students. Good morning, YouTube students. Yes, very good morning, Sangamesh. Am I audible, Sangamesh? Today, we are going to discuss regarding the concept of digestion and absorption, right? Digestion and absorption. So, before that, good morning, Dhanush. Why you joined in YouTube? Yes, my dear students, may I know regarding your remarks? I'm very keen or I'm waiting to hear about your results. So today we are going to discuss regarding digestion and absorption, right? So I will be copying the CET mock test link here. Please make maximum use of it so that you can, it will be very helpful for you to practice. Yes. Okay, neat mock test link has also been shared. Fine. Okay, good. Good morning, guys. ಯಾರು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲಲ್ವಾ ನೀವು? ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿದಾರ ತಾನೆ ಎಲ್ರು? ನೀವು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಐ ಫೀಲ್ ದಟ್ ನೀವು ಪಾಸೇ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಯು ಗೈಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಗುಡ್ ಧನುಷ್. ಕಂಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್. What about your overall percentage? What about Sahana? What is your result? Okay, good. Congratulations, Sahana. Fine. So let us proceed with the questions of digestion and absorption now. Thank you, Dhanush. Fine. So let us proceed with the digestion and absorption. Good percentage, both of you. Congratulations. The first question of today, as it is a physiological concept, we can expect a more twisted question in this chapter. The first question of today goes like this. Unlimited growth of the plant is due to the presence of which of the following? A is meristem, B is tissue, C is apical cell, D is special organs. Just a minute. Don't answer to that question. Just a minute. Hold on for a minute. Okay. Yes, yesterday only 3 of them attended the session, as well as only 3 of them, what I can say is, attended the mock test too. There's some technical issue. Wait a minute. Okay. Fine. Most of the students logged in now. Can you able to see the screen? Just let me know. Can you able to see the screen, my dear students? Which question you are seeing now? Okay, fine. The first question of today. In man, the zymogen or chief cells, what we call, are mainly found in. Where can you find the zymogen or a chief cells, right? The first option is cardiac part of stomach. Second, pyloric part of stomach. Third, uh, duodenum. Fourth, fundic part of stomach. Yes, YouTube students. In man, the zymogen or chief cells are mainly found in. Where can you find chief cells? Option D. Fine. Okay. So only one answer I got as option D. Let me check the answer. The right answer for this question is option D, that is fundic part of stomach. So in the fundic part of stomach, we can see the what I okay, chief cells. Hmm? Fine. Let us proceed to the next question. Pancreatic juice and hormones. Okay, Sangamesh, good. Pancreatic juice and hormones of pancreas are produced by A. Same cells, B. Same cells at different times, C. Statement is wrong, D. Different cells. Pancreatic juice and hormones of pancreas are produced by. Yeah. So you know that pancreatic juice and hormones like pancreatic amylase, pancreatic lipase. So these hormones play a crucial role or important role in the digestion. So ಈ ಎರಡು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಸ್ಗಳು ಹೌ ದೇ ಆರ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವರುಣ್ ರಾಜ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್, ಮದನ್ ನಾಯಕ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. Yeah, see to the options properly and tell me the answer. Madan Nayak, Dhanush, HJ. Yes. Yes, YouTube students. Sangamesh Nellur, answer to the question. Fine. So most of you voted for options A, some of you voted for option C. So let us check the answer. The right answer is here, option B. So we know that pancreas is a gland which helps in digestion and it acts as a part of an endocrine system. It acts as both exocrine and endocrine. So we will call it as exoendocrine anta karitave. The beta cells of the pancreas produce insulin, alpha cells produce glucagon, delta cell produce somatostatin. There are two main types of exocrine pancreatic cells responsible for two main classes of secretion. So bicarbonate ions and certain digestive enzymes. So option B ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಸೇಮ್ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಅಟ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಯಾಂಕ್ರಿಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಜ್ಯೂಸು ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. ಗುಡ್. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡ್ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ವಿಟಮಿನ್ ಕೆ ಈಸ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್. ವಿಟಮಿನ್ ಕೆ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಏನು? ಎ ಇಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೋಥ್ರೋಂಬಿನ್ ಟು ಥ್ರೋಂಬಿನ್, ಬಿ ಸಿಂಥೆಸಿಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೋಥ್ರೋಂಬಿನ್, ಸಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಫೈಬ್ರಿನೋಜನ್ ಟು ಫೈಬ್ರಿನ್, ಡಿ formation of thromboplastin. Vitamin K is required for. Yes, my dear students, who is going to answer this first? Please let me know your result through the chat box. I am waiting for it. Madan Nayak answered it. ನೀವು ಯಾರು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನನಗನ್ಸತ್ತೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಫೇಲ್ ಆದ್ರಿ ಅಂತ. ಅಂಡ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟ್ ದಟ್ ನೀವು ಯಾರು ಫೇಲ್ ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. So please share your result through the chat box. Don't worry, message nanagaste baratte. When you just click on message to Nidhi ma'am andre, it will come only to me. I want to know the marks. I'm very, what you can say, interested. Very good. Congratulations, Pavitra. May I know the marks of biology marks? Bhuvan, congratulations. Yeah. Dhanush HJ answered it. Madan answered it. Yeah. Okay. So most of you answered it as option A. I'm sorry. Change of prothrombin into thrombin. Let us check the answer here. Very good. The right answer is option B here. Yeah. Yes, YouTube students. Synthesis of prothrombin. Prothrombin synthesis ಆಗುವಾಗ vitamin K is very necessary. Right? Let us proceed to the next question. Kupfer's cells occur in. Kupfer cells ಅನ್ನೋದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Yes, Sangamesh Nellur answered it. A. Spleen, B. Kidney, C. Brain, D. Liver. Kupfer cells occur in. 10 ಜನ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ನನಗೆ ಬರೋದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ 1, 2 ಮಾತ್ರ. ವಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಅದರ್ಸ್? ಮೇಘ, ಅಭಿ, Sahana, Dhanush HJ, Varun Raj, real me. I don't know your name, so please rename it. Nim mobile name ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ rename ಮಾಡಿ. Bhuvan Madan Nayak answer to the question. Yes, YouTube students, be fast and be active. Why you guys are becoming so lazy nowadays? Yeah, most of you voted for option D. So please change your names like while opening the Zoom account. So you can rename your name. If it is a college, put a college name. If it is an individual student, please put your name. So that while asking like who answered the question, while seeing it, I will understand who answered it anta. So most of you answered as option D, liver anta. Exactly the right answer. In the liver, we can find the Kupffer cells. Can anyone tell me what is the function of Kupffer cells? Yes, YouTube students. What is the function of Kupffer cells? ಏನು function ಏನು Kupffer cells ದು? Yeah. ಲಿವರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಪ್ಪರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಪ್ಪರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್? Very good. So here Dhanush answered it as it protects the liver from bacterial or other infections. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಪ್ಯಾಥೋಜನ್ ಲಿವರ್ ನ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೆಪಾಟಿಕ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೆಪಾಟಿಕ್ ಪೋರ್ಟಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲಿವರ್. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ರೋಫೇಜ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ರೋಫೇಜ್ ಬೈ ಫ್ಯಾಗೋಸೈಟೋಸಿಸ್, ಸೆಲ್ ಈಟಿಂಗ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಆ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೀರಿಯಾ ಅನ್ನೋದು ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೆ. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಧನುಷ್. So let us proceed to the next question. Yes, YouTube students. Yeah. Renin acts as an A. Milk changing, renin acts on milk changing casein into calcium paracasinate at pH 7.2 to 8.2. B. Proteins in stomach. C. Fat in intestine. D. Milk changing casein into calcium paracasinate at 1 to 3 pH. Yes, Varun answered it. Yes, YouTube students, be fast. Madan Nayak. Dhanush, Madan answered it. Sahana answered it. So the confusion is between A and D. Some of you are voting for Bhuvan answered it. Milk changing casein into calcium paracasinate at the pH 7.2 to 8.2. Some of you are voting for option D. Milk changing casein into calcium paracasinate at the pH 1 to 3 ಅಂತ vote ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ. So let me check the answer who is right, whether it is A or whether it is D. So the right answer is in an acidic atmosphere, the renin acts on. Renin act ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ acidic condition ಇರಬೇಕು. So acidic condition ಯಾವಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? pH level ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ. pH ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 1 to 3 ಇದೆ. So here option D, milk changing casein into calcium paracasinate at 1 to 3 pH is is the what we can say condition when renin acts on. Next question. The enzyme enterokinase helps in the conversion of. Enterokinase enzyme ಕೆಲಸ ಏನು? Pepsinogen into pepsin, trypsinogen into trypsin, casinogen into casein, proteins into polypeptides. The enzyme enterokinase helps in the conversion of. Shiva answered it. Dhanush answered it. Sangamesh answered to the question. 25th question. Sahana, Bhuvan answered it. Varun answered it. Pavitra. So most of you answered it as option A. Few of you voted it for option, what we can say is D. Sorry, option B. Right? So the enterokinase is an enzyme which acts on trypsinogen. ಅದು trypsinogen ಮೇಲೆ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ಸಿನ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೆ, ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ಸಿನ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೆ, ಇಟ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಪೆಪ್ಟೋನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಪೆಪ್ಟೈಡ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಅಮೈನೋ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. A dental disease characterized by mottling of teeth is due to the presence of certain chemical element in drinking water. Which of the following is that element? So ಒಂದು disease ಬಂದಿದೆ. It is a dental disease related to the teeth. Characterized by ಅದರ ಸಿಂಪ್ಟಮ್ ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ mottling of teeth. ಅಂದ್ರೆ the teeth are becoming brittle. ತುಂಬಾ ರಫ್ ಆಗಿ ಬ್ರಿಟಲ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. They are easily broken. ತುಂಬಾ ಬೇಗ ಮುರಿತಿದ್ದಾವೆ ಅವು. ರೈಟ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ದ ಪ್ರೆಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸರ್ಟನ್ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್. ಅದು ಯಾಕಾಗಿದೆ? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಸಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಡ್ರಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ವಾಟರ್. ಸೊ ಡ್ರಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎ ಇಸ್ ಮರ್ಕ್ಯುರಿ, ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್, ಸಿ ಇಸ್ ಫ್ಲೋರಿನ್, ಡಿ ಇಸ್ ಬೋರಾನ್. ದ ಕ್ವಿಕ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಬೈ ವರುಣ್ ರಾಜ್. ಓಕೆ. ಎಸ್ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. Madan Nayak, Dhanush answered it. And I am very happy to share you all that we got around 3 ranks for the state from the Sankalp Learning Solutions. 7th rank for the state, that is Chetan Kumar from Government PU College, Bannur. Then Apeksha, and one more is, I forgot her name actually. Let me just, I'll see to it. Lalitya from Government PU College, Bannur. So they all scored well. So all of them are 8th rank, 9th rank and 12th rank. Apeksha is from Government PU College, Basavangudi. Okay, fine. See, many of you might be from Government PU College or might be from private college. So Government PU College ಇದ್ದವರು, ನಮ್ದು Government PU College, ನನಗೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಹೆಂಗ್ ಓದ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತಲೆ ಕೆಡ್ಸ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ. You can crack it. Okay, now, so most of you answered the question. Let us proceed to the answer here. Option C, that is fluorine ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ? It results in the dental disease and causes mottling of the teeth. Option C, fluorine adu. Next question. The contraction of gallbladder. Gallbladder contraction is due to, ಯಾಕೆ gallbladder contraction ಆಗತ್ತೆ? It is due to A, gastrin, B, cholecystokinin, C, secretin, D, enterogastrone. The contraction of gallbladder is due to. Dhanush, Varun answered the question. Yeah. Yes, YouTube students. Bhuvan answered it. Fine. So most of you voted for option B. Few of you voted for option D. So the right answer is here, option B. The contraction of gallbladder is due to cholecystokinin. It is due to cholecystokinin. Next question. Stool of a person is a whitish gray colored due to malfunction of which of the following organ? So the excreta, stool is nothing but the excreta of a person is whitish gray. The normal color will be yellowish, alva. So the stool color will be yellowish. It is due to the bilirubin pigment. Bilirubin pigment liver alliruva bilirubin pigment ಇಂದ so ಅದಕ್ಕೆ yellow color ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. I'm sorry. So the stool of a person whitish gray ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅದು ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟಿನ malfunction ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಹುದು. A is pancreas, B is spleen, C is kidney, D is liver. Varun, Dhanush, answer to the question. Prajwal, MS, answer to the question. Madan Nayak. So most of you answered to the question. Pavitra Subramanya answered it. So most of you answered it as option D, liver anta. Exactly. Stool that is pale or whitish gray in color, it is caused due to insufficient bile output. So ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಬೈಲ್ ಇನ್ಸಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಹದಿಂದ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋಗದೆ ಇರತ್ತೋ ಸೊ ಆವಾಗ the stool will be pale. Bile salts from the liver give stool its brownish or yellowish color. If there is decreased bile output, so bile juice ಅಥವಾ bile salts output ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ stool is much lighter in the color. Thus, whitish gray color stool is due to malfunctioning of the liver. Liver ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡದೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ the stool will be lightish color. Next question. During prolonged fasting, in what sequence are the following organic compounds used up by the body? So, ಉಪವಾಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು. ಸೊ ಉಪವಾಸ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಯಾವ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಎ ಎಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಯಿತು ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ಎನರ್ಜಿಯನ್ನ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲಿಪಿಡ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೊಂದಿ ಎನರ್ಜಿಯನ್ನ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಬೋಹೈಡ್ರೇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ಎನರ್ಜಿಯನ್ನ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದು ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಡೌನ್ ಆಗಿ ಎನರ್ಜಿಯನ್ನ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ? ಬಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಬೋಹೈಡ್ರೇಟ್ಸ್, ಫ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್, ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್ಸ್, fats, carbohydrates, proteins, and lastly lipids anta. So Varun Raj answered to the question. Bhuvan, Madan Nayak, Dhanush answered it. Good. Pavitra Subramanya voted for it. So let us check the answer here. Most of you voted for option A. Few of you voted for option C anta. Let us check. The right answer is option B. First, carbohydrates will oxidize, next fats, and lastly proteins. Okay. Next question. Epithelial cells of the intestine. Intestinal epithelial cells galenive. It is involved in absorption. Food absorption have on their surface. ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ food absorption ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ? Pinocytic vessels, microvilli, zymogen granules, phagocytic vesicles. Epithelial cells of intestine involved in food absorption. ಯಾವ epithelial cells food absorption ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವೋ ಆ ಒಂದು ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲ್ಮೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಪೈನೋಸೈಟಿಕ್ ವೆಸಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಗಳಿರ್ತವೆ, ಮೈಕ್ರೋವಿಲ್ಲೈಗಳಿರ್ತವೆ, ಝೈಮೋಜನ್ ಗ್ರಾನ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಗಳಿರ್ತವೆ, phagocytic vesicles ಗಳು ಇರ್ತವೆ. Yes, Sangamesh Nellur answered to the question as option B for the previous one, exactly the right answer. So what is the answer for 30th question? Madan Nayak answered it. Pavitra. Yes, be fast. So most of you answered it as option A. Few of you answered it as option B. So let us check the answer here. The right answer for this question is option B, that is microvilli. Microvilli these will help in food absorption. Next question. Angiotensinogen is a protein produced and secreted by. Angiotensinogen. Veeresh Nayak Madan answered it. So, angiotensinogen ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೋಟೀನು ಯಾವುದರಿಂದ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ? A is endothelial cells lining the blood vessels. B is liver cells. C is juxtaglomerular cells. D is macula densa cells. Angiotensinogen is a protein produced and secreted by. Yes, Sangamesh Nellur answered to the 30th question. Okay. So what is the answer for 31st question? Anyone? So the right answer for this question is option B. Liver cells ಇಂದ angiotensinogen ಅನ್ನೋ ಪ್ರೋಟೀನು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Next question. What will happen if the secretion of parietal cells of gastric gland is blocked with an inhibitor? So gastric gland ಅಲ್ಲಿ parietal cells ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. Okay, they will secrete what you can say is certain gastric juice. So ಆ ಒಂದು parietal cells ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ? A is gastric juice will be deficient in chymosin. Chymosin ಅನ್ನೋ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ gastric juice ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. Very good Sangamesh. Gastric juice will be deficient in pepsinogen. Gastric juice ಅಲ್ಲಿ pepsinogen ಕೊರತೆ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. In the absence of HCl secretion, inactive pepsinogen. So HCl secretion ಆಗದೆ ಹೋಗಿ pepsinogen pepsin ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Enterokinase will not be released from the duodenal mucosa. Trypsinogen is not converted to trypsin. Madan Nayak answered it. So enterokinase ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗಕ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಇಂಟೆಸ್ಟೈನ್ ಇಂದ. ಸೊ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ಸಿನೋಜನ್ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ಸಿನ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್? Bhuvan answered it. Okay. Any other answers? Okay, let me tell the answer. The right answer is option C. Absence of HCl secretion. Parietal cell block ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ HCl secretion ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. HCl secretion ಆಗದೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಪೆಪ್ಸಿನೋಜನ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಪೆಪ್ಸಿನ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಇಫ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸಮ್ ರೀಸನ್, ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ರೀಸನ್ಗೆ ಅವರ್ ಗಾಬ್ಲೆಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಗಾಬ್ಲೆಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಆಗಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ದೇ ಬಿಕಮ್ ನಾನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್, ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಸ್ಲಿ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್. ಅವು ಏನನ್ನ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ? Yes, 32nd question and Sangamesh answered it as option A. Fine. So, il nodi, production of somatostatin, secretion of sebum from the sebaceous gland, maturation of sperms, smooth movement of food down the intestine. If for some reason goblet cells become non-functional, so avaga yavudakke effect agatte? Yes. Yes, YouTube students. So here, the answer is given by Madan. Any other answers? Veeresh, Varun Raj, Prajwal, Bhuvan, Pavitra. What is your answer on this? Yes. Bhuvan answered it. Okay. Most of you answered it as option D, Anta. So the right answer for this question is Veeresh Nayak answered it. Option D, that is smooth movement of food. Goblet cells ಅಂದ್ರೆ it will secrete the mucus, a sticky substance. ಅದು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? It protects the what we can say the inner parts, okay, by its layer. So smooth movement ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅದಿಲ್ದೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ. Next, which one of the following correctly represents the normal adult human dental formula? ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಯಾವುದು ಡೆಂಟಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಡೆಂಟಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಡೆಂಟಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅನ್ನ ಹೇಳತ್ತೆ? ಎಸ್, ಸಿ ಟು ದ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಪವಿತ್ರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್. ಭುವನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ 3/3 1/1 ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಜಾ ಅಂಡ್ ಲೋವರ್ ಜಾ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಸೊ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಆನ್ಸರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಅಂತ. Very good. The right answer is 2 incisors, canines, 2 molars and premolars, right? Next question. The center of hunger or center which regulates the amount of food we eat or our appetite is located in. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬ್ರೈನ್ ನ ಯಾವ ರೀಜನ್ ಹಂಗ್ರಿನೆಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅಥವಾ ಹಂಗರ್ ಅನ್ನ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಎ ಇಸ್ ಮೆಡ್ಯುಲಾ, ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಸೆರಿಬ್ರಮ್, ಸಿ ಇಸ್ ಹೈಪೋಥಾಲಾಮಸ್, D is elementary canal. Yes, Sangamesh Nellur is active on YouTube. Tell me the center or of hunger or center which regulates the amount of food we eat. Who one answer to the question? Good. What about others? Prajwal MS, Pavitra Subramanya, Veeresh Nayak. So the right answer for this question is option C. That is hypothalamus. Hypothalamus is a region which controls our hunger. Next question. Okay, fine. So this is about the questions on what we can say is digestion and absorption. Okay, then here I will be sharing the mock test link here. Please do attend the mock test. Digestion and absorption. Tomorrow we are going to discuss about biological classification. Tomorrow our topic is biological classification. So here you have the mock test link. Please do attend the mock test, all of you. Fine. So tomorrow I will meet you and we will discuss biological classification. Let me end up the session here. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye-bye.